Furthermore, pro-Russian sources published this video, a very interesting video, and according to this video, and according to the author of this video, the Russians were testing new equipment to discovering of positions of FPV drone operators of Ukrainian forces. And here the Russians are saying that as a result of work of this equipment, the Russians managed to find positions of the armed forces of Ukraine of their FPV drone operators and to destroy them with a precise strike with deviation. So the Russians are saying that this is a revolutionary weapon in the special military operation, because this equipment allows to find positions of the FPV drone operators deep inside, in the deep rear. And Russians are saying that if they are able to build and to produce lots of, let's say, types of this equipment, then Ukraine will lose any possibilities to hold FPV drone operators along the line of combat contact.